Hey there, mathematicians. How are you doing? Are you excited to wrap things up with Unit 4 and all that hard work you've been putting into subtraction and addition equations? All right, here we go. Here's today's target. Read it along with me. I can review what I've learned for solving addition and subtraction equations. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. Today, you need your math brain turned on, and you need a pencil and a piece of paper at home. Let's play strategy Jeopardy! Okay, don't worry. That music is on every slide that you click on today, just in case you want to get yourself pumped and ready for some math. Here we go, mathematicians. Strategy Review Jeopardy! Dun, dun, dun! All right, here's the deal. This exact slideshow that Miss A is using is posted on our Math Google Classroom. So let's hop over there right now and review how to access that. I hope you're watching really carefully. You are going to start at our single sign-on page, which is my.bvsd.org. Hopefully you've bookmarked it up here. And if you haven't done that yet, click this star here. That'll make every day super simple for you to access the things that you're using most often. All right, where are you going to go next? That's right, Google Classroom. So when you click on Google Classroom, you are going to see the classes that you have access to. Which class would our math review be in? That's right, math second grade. So click here, click on classwork, and in classwork, you are going to see game show review. Da, da, da. Click on the game show review. When you click on that, this exact slideshow that Miss A is walking through will pop up. I want you to get to this slide and you need to put it in present mode. So let me show you how to do that. When you get to this slide and you are on slide 5, you are going to come up here to the top right corner and you are going to click on present. Just like that. All right, now that you're in present mode, you can see the whole screen and it's an interactive game board for you. So here's what you're going to do. You get to pick, do you want a subtraction problem for 100 points? Do you want a subtraction problem for 200 points? Subtraction for 300 points? Subtraction for 400? Now you can pick anything on the board to start with. You could pick subtraction problems, you could pick word problems, or you could pick money problems. The 100-point problems are easier. The 200-point problems are a little trickier. The 300-point problems are even trickier. And those 400-point problems are the trickiest. So you start wherever you need to. Now here's the catch. If you get the answer correct, you get to keep that many points and write down those points. If you get it wrong, you cannot collect those points. So be careful where you start. Show your thinking and be very, very thorough on making sure that you've used a strategy that will help you get the correct answer. So let's practice what this could look like. All right, I have my scrap paper here. I have my pencil ready to go. I am going to write a points board at the top of my page to keep track of my points. And then I'm just drawing a line. So any points I collect, I'm gonna write up here. And then down here is where I'm gonna do my math thinking before I reveal the answers. So let's do a practice together. Let's start with subtraction for 100. Check this out. Actually, I don't know if that'll, yeah. It takes you straight to the subtraction for 100 problem. Oh, I know you're having fun with math today. Okay, solve this equation, 24 minus 9. You have to show your thinking, and what would be even better is if you show your thinking two ways. So I know 24 minus 10 is 14, so 24 minus 9 is 1 less taken away. So that's 15, or I could do a number line, start on the right-hand side, 24, jump back 10, because that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's one too many. So I'm going to go back the other way, 1 for 15. All right. Here's my thinking, 2 separate ways. I came up with 15, 2 separate ways. Do you see my thinking? All right, now you can click on the board or just click the space bar on your keyboard and it will reveal the answer so you can check the answer. This is the part you have to be careful about. When you click to the equation you want to do, solve it before you do any more clicking or it'll give away the answer. Oh no. There it is. I hit it. 15. Okay, so I came to this screen, did my thinking, then I clicked to reveal the answer. Because I got it right, and this is worth 100 points, I'm going to write 100 points at the top. You see that? So this is my point board where I'm going to keep continuing to keep track of how much I've earned. Now I want to go straight back to that board without revealing any of the other slides because I don't want to accidentally see any of the answers. That'll ruin the game and it'll ruin the fun. Come down here where it says back to the board. And there you go. Now you can pick which one you want to do next. Maybe you want to do something a little trickier. Money for 200. And it takes you straight to the money for 200 board. Do the same thing here and then continue on until you've answered all of the questions, mathematicians. If this doesn't quite make sense, pause the video and re-watch it now. Remember, all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and in Google Classroom, you can access that game show that we were doing together right here under our Math Google Classroom Unit 4 Game Show Review. Last tip, make sure you click present mode so that it doesn't give away all of the answers. You have got this, mathematicians. Today is your chance to practice reviewing what you have learned for solving subtraction equations so far. Have fun, work hard, and do your best. Go Mavs!